Hello guys. So if you are struggling with integrating Expo login with Keycloak, then this video might help. So you may use, I'm not sure because I haven't tested on other platform like Okta or Auth0, but I think you can use the same thing to address the problem with login um, on login for Keycloak on Expos. So I have my Expo repository here. This is a new Expos app. I just have the login screen and I was unable to make it work. So the biggest thing, biggest issue is the browser does not redirect back to my app. So even though I configure a deep link and I realize I made a mistake, and this is the critical mistake that I need to install the development view of the app so the phone will recognize the deep link. So if you know what you're doing and you stuck only at this point, then you can perform these steps to not watch the rest of this video. But uh, so for the one of you who stay, then I will go through each step. So the first thing is to configure the schema, right? The in-app JSON. So there's the part sorry, schema here. So you can define this schema is so it's something similar to HTTP, but you define it yourself. Then when you open the app, you open the URL, then the mobile, your phone will know how to open to your app. So on Android. Um, but I think that similar guy exists on iOS from Expo. So I defined my scheme here. So as I remember, this only accept alphanumeric and a dash or a dot like this. So I defined mine like this, and so these are the scheme, and this is very important. So later it will you compose an like URI like this. So for my case, success. So this success is a view in my application, or in my case, that would be redirect. So that is the scheme. I also I need to configure this mobile redirect. So I have key clock. So don't worry about the code. I will push this online and put the link in the description. So both login and logout, I will have the redirect URL, and this is super important. You need to configure this in your applications, in your client, Keycloak client. So let me show you my Keycloak client. So hopefully it's still here. Okay. So I create a new client. You got a mobile here and configure this valid redirect. So actually this one is enough, but yeah, these two, just to be sure. So I tried a lot of formats, and not necessarily I need to delete most of them and keep only two. So this one. So this is the valid redirect URI for this client. So I create this client in Keycloak, nothing special, and configure. So client, let me see. So this is the Keycloak config. So we have Keycloak config here. Mobile. Let me see here. Here is the configurations. So this will this is all you need. You create a client without a secret. you don't need a secret key for this client, Keycloak client. So this is all the thing you need. So let's check the step. So I created schema, configure deep link. Then now I need to deep link and maybe Keycloak client. And now the most important thing is that after you configure all those things, you need to create a development view using EAS. So this is a tool from Expose. So create development, yes, Expose. So I also put everything here. So after you run the ES view for platform development here. So I run it. History rep EAS. So I run this, and it will suggest you to whether to install on your device or not. But if you can also install the development later. So I did that, but now let me show you the issues that my app that is not I cannot log in with my Keycloak. So let's go to the terminal and npx expo start. So this will deploy this. So you see that it's using a development view. So I will switch to Expo Go, which is the one running locally here, and then deploy on Android. So this will install Expose on this phone and load the app. So now I click on sign, and I use without an account. That's okay. And this is my standard SSO login. So I will log in with my account, and this should not work. So I click on sign in, and nothing happens. And I also connect to Chrome DevTool here. So let me check. Here we go. So I inspect this page, and this one is it's nothing, but this one is critical. Navigation is unreachable. So we have the correct redirect URL, configure. So so this is it, and but Chrome doesn't recognize this protocol, because we need to do the next step, which is install the development view on the phone, or this case the emulator. So let's do that. So I have created the view. Now I log into my Expos. So this is my Expo dashboard, and this is the development view I created yesterday. Click on that and click on install. Right, I can scan this on a device with camera, but if I don't have a camera on this one, configure. So I will copy this link and close this. Okay, so it's an error. Go to home and open Chrome and paste the link. Okay, and let's go to that page and click on install. Okay, so this is one thing I really don't like about Expose View, because it's just an app that does nothing. Is more than 100 megabyte, but there are a lot of heavy lifting. So yeah, oh my god, where's I need to go to the download page again. Okay, um let's see, can I find the files? Yes, settings, yes. Okay, so I will install this. Okay, that's done. And now I guess that we now have the deep link available. So let's open my terminal and reload the application on my device. Maybe no Expo Go. Okay. So I will open this and reload. Okay. And click here. And let's try sign with Keycloak again. Okay. Continue. What's this? Let me reload that. Click on sign. And you see that because I was successfully logged in before, I enter the correct credentials, and now I in the dashboard. So let me, okay, if you have time, you can quit now and try yourself. But let me turn off this device, wipe the data, and reset the flow again. Or maybe I can, I think I can open Expo Go and clear this, so that may clear the application data. So click on A to open on Android. This one. Uh, Maybe not. So opening on Android. So maybe I will run the Expo start again. So S and A. Is that okay? Or maybe I need to restart the whole flow again. No thanks. Okay, Expo Go. And let's try this. Opening it. Okay. So I would open the Expo Go here. So this is my application. Dismiss. Let me reload that again. Reload the app. So it is downloading something. Just wait for it a bit. Mhm. Let me try reloading the app. Okay, okay. No app is connected. That's weird. As I said, I'm very new to this. So A, is that possible? We need to open this one. Okay, so I open this. Okay, okay. Now I click on a lot of bugs, right? I'm not sure. Let me reload that. Maybe it's crash. A R question mark. Okay, the whole thing just crashed. So I need to maybe, like I said, turn this off, wipe the data. Oh no, yeah, maybe I need to wipe the data because I need to install the application again. But we try one more time without wiping the data. So this is the code restart, I guess. So I will Expo start. So this I switch to Expo Go by S and A. Hopefully it's working. Expo Go, right? Oh, Expo Go. Okay. So it's building. Hopefully we can log in this time. Okay. Okay, thank you. Continue. Okay. And I click on sign in with Keycloak. And alice.com and the password. And sure enough, we see that I'm successfully go to the go back. It redirect to my applications, and the login is successful. This is the redirect. This is my URL, right? The redirect is my URL. Here I configure here, so I create a route redirect. So it will be open after the successful login. Try again, and now I go to the dashboard. So there could be some issues with this, as the dashboard is flashing or the redirect is opening multiple times, but this works. It passed the login, which is very important to me because my web app and my mobile share the same user pool, so that is very important. So hopefully this help you guys, and I will put everything online on GitHub so you can follow. And also I will write a blog post because I may not explain things as clearly as I write. So thank you very much for watching, and I see you very soon.